Really, as in low key. Really, which is low key. Low key. With a dash. Low key. Really, in actual fact, as opposed to what is said or imagined to be true or possible. Adverb. Number one, used to add strength, sincerity, or seriousness to a statement or opinion. Genuinely, truly, honestly, undoubtedly, without a doubt, indubitably, certainly, surely, assuredly, unquestionably, undeniably, indeed, verily. Number two, seriously, used in questions and exclamations with an implied negative answer. In fact, in actual fact, actually, in reality, in point of fact, as a matter of fact, in truth, if truth be told, to tell the truth, in actuality, ensued, very, thoroughly. Number one, genuinely, truly, honestly, undoubtedly, without a doubt, indubitably, certainly, surely, assuredly, unquestionably, undeniably, indeed, verily, very, extremely, thoroughly, decidedly, awfully, terribly, frightfully, dreadfully, fearfully, exceptionally, exceedingly, immensely, uncommonly, remarkably, eminently, extraordinary, most positively, downright, heartily, quite, tres, terrifically, tremendously, quite, devilishly, ultra, too, for words. Mucho, mega, seriously, majorly, oh so, yeah. Stinking, jolly, ever so, dead, well, fair, real, mighty, awful, plumb, powerful. Way, beaching, lecker, devilish, exceeding, sore. Exclamation with really low-key. Used to express interest, surprise, or doubt. Number one, used to express mild protest. Is that so? Is that a fact? Well, I never did. Well, I never did. Go on. You don't say. Well, knock me down with a feather. Well, blow me down with a feather. Well, I'll be blowed. Well, what do you do? Well, what do you know about that? Well, what do you know about that? Go to. In reality, in a real manner. Also, in fact, actually. Sinos. Effectually, really, literally, by, matter indeed, by. 1641 to 1711. Sincerely, honestly, plainly, obsolete. Sinos, wholly, honestly, frankly, sincerely, downright. 1651, in the usual course of things, naturally. Sinos, coarsely, really. A. 1375 to 1633. Royally, regally, also nobly, splendidly, magnificently. Sinos, worthily, royally, worthily, royally, royally, sumptuously, magnificently. A. 1425. In reality, in a real manner. Also, in fact, actually. Isinos effectually, really, actually, bottom, authentically. 1706 mathematics with reference to an equation such that it has real roots, Sinus really, simultaneously, equationally, quadratically. 1753 used parentically, interrogatively, expressing surprise or doubt. Sinus really, never, sans blague, sans space blague, sans blague. 1604 used parentically, expressing asseveration, protest or dismay. Expressing asseveration, protest or dismay. Sinus iwis, secretly, surely, sure, naturally. 1753 used parentically, interrogatively, expressing surprise or doubt. Sinus how, what, indeed, really, anyhow. How's about my question mark? How's about 1485 to 1665. Intransitive, rally equals rally. Sinus recover, rely, believe, rally, reconcentrate, regroup. C 1485 to 1645. Transitive equals rally, verb. Also with up. Sinus rely, really, with a dash, reallly. Reinforce, retire, rally, steady. 1550, transitive, frequently reflexive. To ally again, to unite or join for a second or further time. Also intransitive, to renew an alliance. Sinus, again. A 1375 to 1633, royally, regally. Also, nobly, splendidly, magnificently. Sinus, really, royally, sovereignly, regally, royally, sovereignly. Sovranly. Sovereignly. A 1375 to 1633, royally, regally, also nobly, splendidly, magnificently. Sinus, proudly, nobly, royally, pompously, princely, grandly. 1604 used parentically, expressing asseveration, protest, or dismay. Sinus secretly, affirmatively, affirmatively, really and truly. 16th century, really and truly. Authentically, genuinely, honestly. Sinus solely, wisely, forsooth, ibis, certis, verily, really and truly. 1864, really and truly. Authentic, genuine. Now rare, bihira na ngayon. Sinus, true, righteous, true penny, real, unpretended, genuine, real. 4 kinds of really / low-key. Low-key. Number 1, truly. 2, very. 3, certainly. 4, honestly. 1. Truly. In actuality, in reality, indeed, in fact, actually, truly, as truly. Number 2, very, awfully, exceedingly, excessively, eminently. Superlatively, uncommonly. Number 3, certainly, positively, categorically, without a doubt, assuredly, verily, surely. Number 4, in all sincerity, fruitfully, actually, honestly. Honestly. Adverb synonym. Certainly. Certainly, absolutely, undoubtedly, genuinely, positively, categorically, without a doubt, assuredly, verily, surely. Adverb very. Very, particularly, seriously, informal, truly, extremely, terribly, remarkably, unusually, jolly, British, awfully, informal, exceedingly, excessively, eminently, superlatively, uncommonly. Adverb truly. Truly, actually, in fact, indeed, in reality, in actuality. Adverb in point of fact. Actually, indeed. Adverb synonyms in truth. Actually, fairly, genuinely, indeed, positively, truly, fruitfully, verily. Adverb synonyms. In accordance with truth or fact or reality. Synonym. Genuinely, truly. Adverb. In actual fact, actually. Adverb. In fact, used as intensifiers or sentence modifiers. In fact, used as intensifiers or sentence modifiers. Synonyms. In truth, truly. Related words. Intensifier, intensive. Power thesaurus. Actually, truly, real, indeed, honestly, seriously, genuinely, in fact, very, certainly, right, absolutely, extremely, in reality, sincerely, quite, true, in truth, positively, truthfully, definitely, in actual fact, surely, unquestionably, much, highly, exactly, truth, good, as a matter of fact, verily, awfully, pretty, undoubtedly, great, remarkably, exceedingly, frankly, actual, uncommonly, totally, decidedly, in effect, extraordinarily, exceptionally, in actuality, terribly, completely, sure, very much, genuine, significantly, literally, assuredly, simply, honest, categorically, undeniably, greatly, thoroughly, badly, veritably, veritably, entirely, reality, severely, alright, for real, exclamation. Adverb. Serious, clearly, precisely, okay, rattling, especially, fact, particularly, unequivocally, utterly, immensely, even, fine, wholeheartedly, hugely, most mightily, in point of fact, admittedly, essentially, vastly, authentically, plainly, downright, awful, supremely, enormously, straight, fairly. And opposites. Hardly, nominally, somewhat, seemingly, obscurely, falsely, slightly, insignificantly, moderately, vaguely, hypocritically, insincerely, little, scarcely, barely, minimally, sort of, by no means, artificially, deceitfully, faintly, imaginarily, ostensibly, partially, rather, supposedly, just, marginally, incompletely, insufficiently, mildly, lightly, narrowly, fairly, pretentiously. Okay, Tagalog opposites. Huwad, mapanlinlang, hindi tapat. May pagdududa. Nagdududa, katang isip lang. Sa isip, nang hindi tumpak. Hindi tama, bahagyang, ayon sa teorya, hindi natural. Or hindi. Hindi tunay. You tolerate me. You really tolerate me. You're talking to someone who low-key understands rock music. They don't low-key listen to us. I low-key missed you this summer. They they revealed who you low-key are. They revealed who you really are. Look, mom, I really am hanging out with you. Look, mom, I really am hanging with the newsmakers. You look really pretty tonight, mom. You look low-key pretty tonight, mom. Low-key. Do the Greek and Hellenistic ages low-key look modern? Ang lace ay talagang handmade Valenciennes. Ito ay isang talagang malakas na eroplano. Hindi ka panipaniwalang maingay. Dapat isara mo ang iyong bibig. Ito ay talagang hindi nararapat. Dapat isara mo ang iyong bibig. Ito ay talagang hindi nararapat. Ito ay talagang hindi nararapat. Wala talagang ligtas.